Okay, Dave.
Have a great harvest.
She's shooting gas up into the crankcase.
Yep. Loading up.
Huh?
Loading up.
Yep. She's shooting gas into the crankcase, which she did because we're splitting it out over here now. Yep. We won't even try to start it. She's okay. We won't even try to start it. Take her slow with her.
Back to the barn?
Huh?
You taking it back to the barn or you taking it down to Cheryl's?
Well, we could take it to Cheryl's.
Oh, we already got it on a chain.
Huh?
I said we already have it on a chain.
Yeah, okay.
So it's a 52, you said?
Pardon?
52? 19?
It's about a 52.
52.
55. I could tell you by the serial number. I got a book at home that tells you what year they are by the serial number.
Right. International Farm Cub.
It's a Farmall.
Cool.
Okay.
All ready?
You guys have a great day.
All right, take care now.
Hope you get it running. I hope you get it running.
Oh, I will.
All right. Good project.